Intro to culinary students. This week we're making pasta. You'll be making it from hand or using machines that you have at home. I'm going to show you my extruder. I'm super excited about it. Let me get it turned on. You basically get it started. You need to make a single batch or double. I'm just going to make a single. That's double and single. And then we hit it to say go. Hold on, put the flour in. And now we are just going to drizzle in the egg and water. And the timer says I'm going to have pasta in 10 minutes. This is so cool. This was an impulse buy, we'll have to say. But I've had fun using it. Made pasta for the cross-country team. We had our carved up before cross-country meet. So I want to talk to you about semolina flour. This is going to be a semolina pasta dough. So semolina is it's ground from a hard durum wheat, and it just makes a really very smooth, durable dough. So as this comes out, I will be measuring so that we get the length of this sheet pan, half sheet pan, and we'll roll them little balls, and then I've got some hot water going. Please watch the video on how to make Kale and Pepito Pesto, and that's what we'll be using to coat our pasta today. That recipe is going to have a lot of options for you. That's about right. So you just cut it, and then we're going to separate it with the semolina. That's falling apart on me, isn't it? Now I like to gather it all back up. Just make a little pile. There we go. And we're on to the next little pile of pasta. So I have my salted water boiling, and we have our pasta extruded from the extruder. And I'm just going to use, I love this metal bowl. It's a strainer. I'm going to put my pasta in here. And then I'm just going to drop it gently into the water. There she goes. And it's not going to take very long for this pasta to be ready. Just as soon as it starts to come to the surface, we'll take it out. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes of that. Okay, success. The pasta has surfaced. We're going to take this out of our pot, I hope. There we go. Let that strain out. This is how we do it in the restaurant when we have handles on our little baskets. Alright, nice and al dente. That goes into a bowl where we can add our pesto. And this is the Kale and Pepito Pesto that we made earlier. And we have, let's put about 2 tablespoons in there for that much pasta. I'm going to toss gently, nice and hot. Looks like we could probably use a little more of that. No, there it is. Got a big chunk in there. And just another little bit of this pesto. It smells so earthy. That kale is really just wonderful. If you wanted to put a little basil in there, if you really like traditional pesto, you could do that. All right, let's plate. It's time to give our pasta a try. I love that brilliant green from the kale pesto. I think you're going to have a lot of fun making your own combination of ingredients with pesto. That's nice. The fresh pasta is al dente. You got just the right amount of salt. And the pesto with its earthiness and the kale is just really, really wonderful. Enjoy.